Zoholics is basically our pride and joy. We love to be able to educate users and customers on our new features, train them to get to know the product better.
Unlike any other user conference, it's going to be a laid-back atmosphere where you get hands-on experience with the Zoho team.
To not only receive training, but also a chance for you to meet people behind the applications.
Have one-on-one sessions with technical support to be able to answer their specific questions and even give us feedback to make the products even better.
Brand new day, the sun is up, the birds and the bees start singing, shout, singing, oh, singing, oh.
As a salesperson or a marketer, not only will you have a chance to attend sessions specifically related to these topics, the biggest advantage is meeting other salespeople and other marketers from other companies so that you can share ideas.
Getting the opportunity to learn from our experts and just listening to what they have to say into what's coming in new features.
Build a connection with one of our team members and get your questions answered.
Brand new day, brand new day.
Zoholics will surprise you because it's not a boring conference. It's a lot of fun.
Zoholics is enlightening.
It's amazing.
It's inspiring.
Mars at speed of light.
Zoholics Sales and Marketing is coming to Austin April 11th and 12th, so go online, get your tickets, and I hope to see you there.